Hello, this is Eddie with WMR Competition Performance in Stuart, Florida. How to make your dirt bike suspension better, tip number 2. Identify your forks. Do you have air forks or do you have spring forks? Very important that the springs are set for your weight or the air pressure is set for your weight. Same thing as if we were to have the right or wrong rear shock spring on your bike will dictate whether we can actually use the correct sag numbers or whether they're going to be way off. If you're not sure about this, you can always refer to your owner's manual. It'll give you a sensitive idea of what the stock spring is ranged in weight for. Are you in the minimum or in the maximum? But it's very important that you're within that range. If not, it's time to change the spring or change the air pressure. For more tips and information, visit our blog articles on WMR1.com, which I go more in depth of how to know what forks you have, how to choose the correct spring rate, but all that good stuff to make sure you have the best ride possible, which is really all about. But I appreciate you guys watching, and then until next time.